One God, many religions. How did this happen? What if I told you that almost every major religion on earth once believed in one God? Not many gods, not different gods, but one supreme creator. So how did humanity go from pure monotheism to thousands of religions, sects, and beliefs? Was it evolution of thought or corruption of truth? And here's the most important question. Did God change, or did humans change the message? Stay till the end, because what you're about to discover might completely reshape how you see religion, history, and truth itself. Human history is deeply connected with religion. From ancient civilizations to modern societies, belief in a higher power has always been present. Today, we see thousands of religions, each claiming truth. But if there is only one God, why are there so many religions? This question has puzzled thinkers, historians, and believers for centuries. The original message, one God. According to many scholars, and especially from the Islamic perspective, the original message given to humanity was always the same. Worship one God alone. Follow his guidance. Live a righteous life. In Islam, this concept is known as Tawhid, the oneness of God. The Quran teaches that God sent prophets to every nation: Adam, Noah, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and finally Muhammad, peace be upon them all. All of them brought the same core message: there is no God but one God. So what happened? Why do we now have so many religions? One human alteration of divine messages. Over time, people began to change scriptures, either intentionally or unintentionally. Teachings were modified, meanings were lost, and cultural practices were mixed into religion. 2. Cultural influence. As messages spread across different regions, they were influenced by local traditions, customs, and philosophies. 3. Political power and control. Leaders and rulers sometimes reshaped religion to maintain control over people, adding beliefs that suited their authority. 4. Loss of original scriptures. Many original revelations were lost, rewritten, or translated multiple times, leading to differences and contradictions. Examples from history. Prophet Moses taught monotheism, but over time, divisions formed within his followers. Prophet Jesus preached worship of one God, but later beliefs like the Trinity developed. Even in ancient civilizations, early traces of monotheism existed before polytheism spread. Islamic viewpoint. Islam provides a very clear explanation. All prophets came with Islam, meaning submission to one God. Over time, their teachings were altered. The Quran was sent as the final preserved message. The Quran states that it is protected from corruption and serves as a guide for all humanity. Islam does not reject previous prophets, it honors them all, but it corrects the changes that occurred in earlier teachings. Why so many religions today? So the answer becomes clear. God is one. The message was one. But human interpretations became many. Religions multiplied, not because truth changed, but because people changed the truth. Think about it. If there is one creator, one universe, one humanity, then wouldn't it make sense that the original message was also one? The differences we see today may not represent different truths, but rather different versions of the same original truth. The journey from one God to many religions is not a story of divine confusion, but a story of human transformation, interpretation, and sometimes deviation. Islam teaches us to return to the pure belief in one God without partners, as taught by all prophets. If this video made you think differently, if it opened a new perspective in your mind, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful content like this. Thank you for watching.